Okay, I'll just show you how to pair a mobile to the Bluetooth audio system in this VW Tiguan 2015. First of all, we make sure that Bluetooth is on. So Bluetooth's on at the top there. We're watching out at the bottom. First, we click phone and then we click setup to get into the other menu. Bluetooth settings, click Bluetooth settings, paired device list, but we want search for devices. Turn down search for devices and click. And then we're watching VW phone here. Picking up everything on the car park. Barry's iPhone 12 Pro, so we'll click on that. Please wait. And there we go, Bluetooth pairing request, pair. It's the same as that passkey, yes. Pairing successful, allow contacts and favorites to sync, allow. VW phone not connected. Still searching here. There you go, connected and connected on the system. So pretty simple system.